What's up, guys? Today I am hiding in the shade because it is 100 degrees and crazy muggy. I was actually getting ready to wash the Mercedes because I'm going to do the lowering springs in a little bit, but I decided that I might as well do a little how-to on cleaning your Plasti dip rims on the Silverado. Alright, well, I've got the vintage gold matte, or matte vintage gold, no clear or anything. They get a little brake dusty, and by a little I mean a lot. I've got the ceramic pads on here, but fear not. So I like to use the Brake Dust Professional, yeah, the BDP. It's from, you can get it from Plasti Dip or DYC. Now, I am not a spokesperson for them at all. I'm not sponsored or any of that. I just like to stay brand specific, I guess. And this stuff works really well, as you can see. Maybe it's acid free and balanced pH levels. Anyway, science. Let's go ahead and get to spraying this. Yeah, this stuff's a little potent, but so I like to spray a good amount on, and it says it's best to leave it for about 2 minutes. Look at that stuff. It's already turning purple. So I'm going to wait a few minutes and then we'll spray it off. Well, it's been sitting for a few minutes now. Let's spray it off without blasting the camera. Now, as you can see, that actually works really well. When they see scrubless, they mean scrubless. Sometimes I do like if it's caked on pretty bad, I might have to hand wash it a little bit in the spokes. But if you use a pressure washer, you don't have that problem at all. I'm gonna go ahead and let these dry, and then I'll show you what I do for the aftercare. Alright, so the wheel is nice and dry now. What I like to use is the dip coat from DYC. Now, like I said earlier, I am not at all in part with them or anything. It's just this stuff works and I like to use it. So what I usually do is I go ahead and spray it on a microfiber. Now that it's all on, really smooth. That's why I like it. Makes it feel like a powder coat. It's not super textury. I mean, there's a little bit of texture, of course, but it's not super grippy or rubbery. So next, we'll go ahead and get it in the sun. All right, guys. Got the truck pulled out into the sun. And dang, them wheels look good. I really do like this color. I just need to wash the rest of the truck. It's got a good metal flake to it, so it gives you that little sheen in the sun. It's kind of why I did this quick little video. I just want to show you guys how I go about cleaning my Plasti dip rims. And the product I use, I have yet to have any fading. It still looks like it did the day that I sprayed them. Also, I haven't seen really too many videos on the vintage gold, so I figured I'd do a quick little video on it. I will be changing up the color though. As much as I like it, I will be changing up the color on the wheels a little bit because I'm going a completely different color with the truck. I'm actually about to spray the Mercedes too. After I lower it, the dip just got in. I'm not gonna say what color, but it's gonna be sick. It's crazy hot out, so I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. But as always, thank you for watching and have a great day.